Starting with stanza 4. So little cause for carolings of such ecstatic sound was written on terrestrial things afar or near around, that I could think there trembled through his happy good night air some blessed hope whereof he knew and I was unaware. So in this paragraph, the poet says that as the atmosphere was completely gloomy, and amidst that sadness, he hears a joyful song of a thrush. The thrush is not very young and it's quite aged, but still he chose to sing a song so that he can inspire everyone to be hopeful. The song of the thrush has brought a change in the atmosphere. He has brought a life in this dead atmosphere. But the poet says that I can't understand what terrestrial thing has given the thrush a reason to sing such a joyful sound. He is saying that afar or near around, that is near or far, there is no reason for anyone to be joyful, as he has talked about the death of 19th century and everything will come to an end, so there's no reason to be happy. But he fails to understand why thrush is being so joyful, why the thrush is singing such a cheerful song. The bird might be full of some hope, but the poet is unaware of that hope. He says that maybe the bird is having some hope, maybe he is hopeful, but the poet is at present unaware of that hope. The joyful song of a thrush is full of some hope, but the poet fails to discover the reason behind the song. Carolings are the happy songs. So, the reason behind the happy song of the thrush is the poet is not able to discover the reason as to why the thrush is singing such a joyful song in such a gloomy atmosphere. As the song of the thrush has brought a change in the atmosphere. Earlier it was complete silence, negativity, but now there is a slight change in the atmosphere. This hope is very important, as this hope gives inspiration to all humankind. But at the same time, he says that if the thrush is singing, then there must be some reason which the thrush may be experiencing, and at present, the poet is not able to experience that happiness. But he says that maybe at this time I am not aware of this reason, but maybe I would be aware, I would be knowing the reason behind the thrush joyful song in the course of time. He says that maybe today I am not aware of the reason, but in the future I would be knowing the reason, I would be aware of the reason behind the joyful song of the thrush. Some blessed hope whereof he knew and I was unaware. He says that the bird might be full of some hope, the bird might be feeling that there will a time come when everything will be positive and this negativity will end and the whole atmosphere will again become cheerful. This tells us that the nature is not permanent, it changes now and then. As in the beginning of the poem, we saw that the poem started with negativity, but now the poem ends with a positive note. And even the poet who is completely hopeless, but by the song of the thrush, he is somewhat hopeful. He is now talking about positivity. So, this was your last stanza. I hope you all have understood the story. I'll give you the summary and the related question answers in my forthcoming videos. Thank you.